Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body baby. VQs. Let go.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be another crochet braids tutorial. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to easily install this crochet braids, which I absolutely love. This crochet braid is from Toyotress Hair company. I'm going to put the specs and everything that has to do with the crochet braids in the description box below. I used 5 packs to actually achieve this style, and let me tell you, 5 packs is very full because in one pack you have a lot of braids this time. And you guys know spring twist is really versatile. You can style it anyhow you want it. I did the no rubber band method, so you can style it anyhow you want it and you can keep it for a long time. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so first of all I'm going to apply my Difunee hair cream. After that I'll be applying the Dark's hair cream as well, and then I'm going to go ahead and comb out my hair. So right here I'm just going to go ahead and begin with my braiding pattern.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go.
So now I'm done with my braiding pattern. I'm going to show you guys what the packaging of the crochet braids looks like. So in here I have 7 packs of braids. I ended up using 5 packs. It came with a crochet pin as well. So this is what a single braid looks like. You guys can see the spring is really well made. It looks very nice. So right here I'm going to crochet the spring twist to my hair. So once I'm done crocheting it, I'm going to go ahead and apply my castor oil on the root of my hair. And now I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges with the Shine and Jam gel. Then I'm gonna go ahead and tie a scarf and leave it for like 5-10 minutes to dry. And after that I'm gonna go ahead and take out the scarf, and this is the final look. As you guys can see, this twist is absolutely beautiful. Like, I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful, and you can keep it for a long time if you want. It's very versatile. You can style it anyhow you want as well. And yes, that's what's gonna be for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.